Hello, this video will demonstrate how to use the Pathfinder tool. All students must select and save a thematic and global pathway utilizing the Pathfinder. You can access the Pathfinder tool in a number of ways, either from a link in your Hub Student Center, the UB Curriculum website, or by searching UB Pathfinder using your favorite search engine. Regardless of how you get to the tool, make sure you are logged in. Check for your name and person number in the upper right-hand corner. The Pathfinder tool is set up in tabs. The My Selection tab will serve as your home page and will list the courses you select. The Global and Thematic Pathway tabs are where you will select specific courses in your chosen topic. For your convenience, if you have any transfer or test credit that is applicable to the pathways, it will be displayed on the Course Filter tab in this green box after it has been processed from your transcript. It is important to note that this may not be all of your transfer credit, but it is those courses that are relevant to the pathways requirement. If you have pending transfer coursework that is not displayed in the Pathfinder, discuss this with your academic advisor. Transfer courses that are applicable to the pathways will be listed as options to substitute on both your global and thematic pathway tabs. Test credit may be utilized in the Pathfinder only where there is a direct articulation. We would encourage you to utilize transfer courses towards your pathways. Now let's make some selections. Begin by clicking on the Global Pathway tab. On this page, you'll see various topics such as Global Cultures and Expression, Global Economies and Organizations, International Experience for students interested in studying abroad, and then a variety of foreign language tracks such as Arabic, American Sign Language, or Chinese. As a reminder, there are 5 UB areas in the pathways: Arts, Civilization and History, Humanities, Languages, and Social Science. You must select 2 UB areas in your global pathway and 2 different UB areas in your thematic for a total of 4 UB areas from the 5 options. The tool will help keep track of this for you. So, let's say that you're interested in global cultures and expressions. You'll expand this topic by clicking on this caret and see courses divided up into 3 lists. List 1, List 2, and List 3. You are required to select one course from each list. You'll notice that if a course meets a particular UB area, it will be illuminated here. Throughout the tool, hovering over icons and symbols will provide you with more information. For example, some courses will be tagged as diversity, as having a prerequisite, or as being a study abroad course. In addition, you may see other courses that are labeled enrolled, meaning that you're currently enrolled in this course, or completed, meaning you previously completed the course. As you begin to make selections, you may also see a red arrow icon that looks like this. As you hover over each of these icons, it will tell you why this particular course won't work with your other selections. Now you're ready to select. Begin with List 1. Review the options and make a selection. If you have transfer credits, go to the bottom of List 1 and you will see a green band that will list the transfer credits you are able to substitute for this list. Select a course. Go to List 2 and make another selection. Finally, go to List 3 and make a final selection. At the bottom of your topic, once you've made a selection in each list, a blue button will appear that says Select these courses. When you press this button, it will take you back to the My Selections tab where your 3 choices will display. Next, you will repeat this process on the Thematic Pathway tab. Review the topics and select one that interests you most. Review the courses in List 1, List 2, and List 3. Make a selection under each list. Remember, your transfer courses will be listed in the green band. Once you make a selection, go to the bottom where a blue button will be illuminated that says Select these courses. When you press this button, you'll be brought back to the My Selections tab. Check on the My Selections tab to see if your pathway selections are valid. You'll know that they're valid based on this message with a green check mark that states your pathway selections meet all the requirements. Once you have valid selections, you must save to Hub by clicking the Save to Hub button that is illuminated in red both here or here. This is really important because it is the only way that UB will know which courses you intend to complete for your pathways. Please note, the Pathfinder tool is a planning tool for your pathway requirement. However, it does not register you into these courses. Speak with your academic advisor about when to enroll in your selected pathway courses. You will know that your selections have been saved when you receive this green confirmation message at the top of the Pathfinder. You've now been able to select your pathways. Thanks for watching.